Okay, tell me something. When you're feeling really stressed or tense, and right at that moment, someone comes up to you and says, "Hey, just relax." Doesn't it make you even more irritated? It does for me. Because you can't just relax on command. If I could, I would have already. Instead, I start thinking, so I can't even relax. And that thought just adds more pressure. This whole thing is so strange. The more we try to run away from a feeling, the more it grabs hold of us. But there's a fun way around it. A kind of reverse psychology trick that I've tried myself. It's like finding a back door to solve the problem. If you have 2 minutes, let me show you. I don't want to call it by some complicated name. I just call it the trick to making friends with stress. First, just think for a moment. Where in your body do you feel the most tension right now? Is it your shoulders, your neck, or your forehead? Just pick one spot. Now, you have to do something strange. It might sound weird, but trust me, it's brilliant. Tense that spot up even more, on purpose. Yes, you heard me right. If you feel tension in your shoulders, then pull them up towards your ears. Really tight, as much as you can. Scrunch up your face, really feel that tension. Hold it like that for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, take a long exhale and, in one go, let your whole body go loose. Let it all go. Ah, how does it feel now? Most people say this reverse trick works much better than trying to relax directly. The body just seems to become lighter on its own. But why does this work? I think all these emotions of ours are like little kids. The more you tell them not to do something, the more they'll do it. But if you give them a little attention, listen to what they have to say, they calm down. Stress is just like that. It just wants you to acknowledge it for a moment. When we tense up our body on purpose, we're actually acknowledging that pressure. We're telling it, yes, I know you're here. And as soon as it gets that recognition, it calms down. And there are a few other small things I do. Besides this main trick, there are some other simple things that can help in our daily lives. This isn't from any research, just from my own experience. Drinking too much coffee makes me feel jittery, so when I'm stressed, I avoid it. Journaling is very helpful for me. When I write down all the tangled thoughts in my mind, my head feels lighter, and scrolling on the phone at night makes it hard to sleep. We all know that, and if you don't sleep well, stress just gets worse. Final thoughts. Actually, instead of chasing away this pressure or fear, if you just listen to it for a moment, everything seems to get easier. If we see it not as an enemy, but as a signal from our body, maybe we can understand ourselves a little better. Let me know what you thought of this reverse trick. Stay well. Take care of yourself